Hello, I just want to let you guys know that before we start the video, I just want to say that I'm gonna be reviewing America's weather as well. So if you guys want to stay tuned in that to watch at the end, you can go right ahead. So yeah, anyways, let's get on with the video. Hi everyone, I'm Stormscope. I have a 5-year tracking experience with the weather, storms, and hurricanes, which are basically all in the same category. I do daily uploads, so you can rely on me uploading unless I don't get sick or something like that happens. And please subscribe. You know why? Because 99.3% of you aren't subscribed, so please smash that subscribe button. Let's get started with this. The three storms we are going to be reviewing today are Tropical Storm Hyundai, Tropical Storm Grance, and last but not least, Tropical Cyclone Alfred. We're going to do Tropical Cyclone Alfred at the end, so we have a ton of time to review this storm. But for right now, I'm going to go left to right, so we're just going to go ahead and start off with Severe Tropical Storm Hyundai. The wind in sign imagery might be a little off, so don't mind that, but it's going to be a little off. I kind of can't change. So yeah, currently the storm is slightly affecting Madagascar, with winds coming up to 30 miles per hour almost, somewhere near that. Currently there is not very much precipitation on it. There's no clouds, cumulus clouds, anything like that. It's just basically just wind. So they're not getting too bad right now. They should be fine. And this storm's about to die off soon. In fact, the last update for this storm is predicted to be on the 4th of March at 1 a.m. So yeah. Tropical Storm Grance, this is the last update. The updates will stop at 1 p.m. today. So that's actually, so for me, when I'm currently recording this, it is, they're gonna stop the updates in 20 minutes. So, yeah. So that's that storm. And now, of course, we're gonna go ahead and talk about Tropical Cyclone Alfred. We literally finished all the other storms in less than 2 minutes. So yeah, okay, we're just gonna talk about Tropical Cyclone Alfred here because there is some important information I think you guys should know. So the first thing is that this storm doesn't really look much. There's you can see some stuff popping up on the radar, but we're gonna go ahead and change it to precipitation. Okay. So here it is. See, it's getting, the thing about the storm is going to be this slightly heavy rain, so we can continue. You're going to see the storm. I need to move on. I don't want you guys to have to watch the whole thing, so we're just going to wait. Okay. Storm. Okay. Yeah, so basically, that as the storm increases on its actually going to get much higher winds, like an inch, an inch an hour of rain. That's a lot. That's genuinely a lot. Yeah, an inch an hour of rain plus 60-mile-per-hour winds. That is a lot. That is genuinely a lot. Could get some pretty severe stuff. I don't know. I don't think it could be too severe, but I think it could be slightly severe. This is gonna be another storm in I don't know. You guys had another storm back in January, February, something like that. Yeah. So yeah, this is but you guys got hit on the completely other side of Australia over here. So now this is a completely new storm that's coming to areas like Persimmon, Rockhampton. Actually, not Rockhampton. I don't know how I said this right there, but yeah, mainly just this part. I'll start worrying about the storm. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and review some satellite imagery on the storm. So I'm gonna walk you guys through on how a storm would look in infrared imagery. If you've been watching my videos, you'll know how it looks, but I'm gonna explain it to people who haven't. So basically, the pink and gray colors mean that the storm is intensifying. Like bursts of that. If it's happening, that means the storm is intensifying. So, as we can tell, the storm is not intensifying. It's not going. It's just weakening generally. But let's go ahead and look at water vapor. So water vapor, the storm is very, very, very moist. And it's gonna turn around here, so it's not gonna have too much, it's gonna be really dry air. So it's gonna weaken the storm, even more. So yeah, but that's not gonna be very good. I mean, well, that's gonna be very good, but like not for the storm. So yeah, that's how the storm's gonna go out. So I'm gonna head to this. Okay. So me, how I see the storm, I genuinely just think the storm is just gonna be like more of the heavy rain showers. That's how I would think about it. It shouldn't be too much like wind wise. It's really not gonna do much if I'm being real here. So I don't think it should be much of a problem for you, but it could definitely still, I could definitely still be wrong, and it could definitely, be a big storm. But I don't see it like that. So yeah, I just don't see it as a huge storm like that. Now before we stop talking, I want to go ahead and review the weather for the United States, because there is some stuff I want to talk about the United States. So first, if we go into our precipitation, you're gonna notice there is no rain anywhere. Oops, there's no rain. It is not raining in America at all. This is just snow. And this stuff is snow. This is not rain. So basically, what I'm trying to say is like America has severely kind of been in a drought lately. This low pressure area might push over, like get some rain here. Yeah, as we know, if like we've been in a quite thing lately. There's like look at all these fires. Like all this stuff is fires. Like look at all this. We've been in a severe drought. So yeah, we're not getting a lot of rain. I just want to talk about that. So yeah, the parts that are getting they're just getting a little snow. It's not that much snow. See, yeah, it's not like that much. Not really, not even getting to an inch. Like I don't want to talk about the Canada, but yeah, yeah, that's all I wanted to say. Just saying, what's been happening with America. I just wanted to like say it's in drought if you didn't know. So yeah. Anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching, and peace.